How to transfer Microsoft Authenticator to Google Authenticator. The first things first is download and install Microsoft Authenticator and make sure that you logged into your account. Now I won't be able to show you directly from the application because it will just fall into a black screen because due to some security purposes. So what you need to do is just you gotta go ahead and log into your Microsoft Authenticator account once again. And then at the top right hand portion of Microsoft Authenticator, you should be able to see three dots. Now tap on that and then just simply tap in add account. Now the account that you will be adding in needs to be your Google account since you will be transferring your Microsoft Authenticator to your Google account. Once you've successfully added it, you can now then uninstall the application and then just simply access your Google Authenticator app. Once you've successfully logged into your Google Authenticator app, it will automatically sync all the security defaults that you have from Microsoft Authenticator app. And that's it. That's how you transfer your Microsoft Authenticator to Google Authenticator.